Hey! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this REALME device. You need to start by exiting devices settings and choosing security section. From here click on face unlock and enter your current screen lock. After that you need to scroll all the way down and choose agree at the bottom right corner. Then choose start at the bottom right corner as well and keep your face in frame. Now you need to choose done at the bottom right corner one more time and finally click on home button. As you can see, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!